Isang gabi lang na walang kamera, isang buong buhay na pagsisisi at panghihinayang. You can't watch your home 24/7, but the security camera can. Isang tiyempo ng magnanakaw na makuha ang gamit mo sa bahay, yung computer, cellphone, bisikleta, importanteng dokumento, alahas, pera man, maging ang buhay. Pwedeng maging habang buhay na pagsisisi para sa isang gabing nalingat ka. Kaya naman sa pamamagitan ng high quality na Dawa brand CCTV, napapanatili itong nagsisilbing mata at tenga sa mga nais pumasok sa iyong kabahayan. Sino nga ba si Dawa Technology? Dawa lang naman ay kinikilala bilang one of the largest producers of security cameras and video surveillance equipment worldwide in over 180 countries. Ang Dawa ay may advanced features like AI analytics, smart detection, and IoT integration which boost competitiveness. Dawa CCTV cameras is considered to be the best method in reducing crime. By having a CCTV in your home, it serves as a deterrent against criminal elements and possible break-ins. Sa pamamagitan ng video-recorded footages, it serves as a valuable information in prosecuting criminals against burglaries. Kaya naman, importante na ang timely detection ay nagli-lead sa crime prevention. Kami dito sa Goodhand, we absolutely offer free preventive maintenance, free extended warranty certificate, 30 days money-back guarantee, and lifetime service guarantee, 24/7 consultation, 1 month only troubleshoot, free CCTV security training with freebies and giveaways and free seminars, and disaster preparedness for homeowner association. We were invited sa Rated K, Corina, Magang Kay Ganda, ABS-CBN, Unang Hirit GMA, and many more. Sa mga nais po magtanong, tumawag sa Goodhand Security Products o isa sa aming 20 physical store branches o kumontak sa aming hotline 0917-560-9365. Maraming salamat po.